In today's video, I'll be sharing Alex Hormozi's exact closing strategy that he uses for all his companies, which does $17 million per month. Let's jump right into the video. So usually this is sort of how most people close. They sort of ask, hey, is now the time to draw the line in the sand and do whatever it takes to get you and your family to that next part of life? How do you feel? Then the prospect will usually say, yes, I'm ready. And you go ahead and give them the offer, and you'll probably get hit with a bunch of objections. Here's a strategy that you should add before you reveal the offer, and it's going to double your close rate. So when you ask them, how do you feel? And they say, yes, I'm ready. You want to double down, stack it, get a double confirmation. Ask them, what makes you so certain? What gives you the confidence that this time you're ready to draw the line in the sand? And then they're probably going to say, because this time I'm not going to run away, this time I'll commit. And you want to drop one of Alex Hormozi's line saying, would it totally be crazy for us to move forward today? And bam, you got the close. So these 2-3 little things I'm sharing with you now is going to drastically increase your close rate. Now there's another variation for if the person is a bit more unsure. If they say, hey, I think I'm ready. Then you want to rebuttal and say, you think you're ready? Or do you know you're ready? I know I'm ready. Well, what makes you say that? Because everyone thinks they know they're ready. But when it comes time to draw the line in the sand, they make excuses, they say it's too hard, they pass the responsibility onto their girlfriend or partner, then they go on the same cycle again. What makes you so certain that you're not going to do that again? And they're going to say, because this time I'm not going to run away and I'll commit. Here's another version, if the person's a bit more skeptical. If they say, yeah, I'm ready, then you can reply, are you sure you're ready, man? Are you sure you're ready for this? Because, mate, this is going to be a big task. You've got to find a product, you've got to build a website, you've got to create videos. Are you really ready for it? I know I'm ready. And then you can go to the thing we said before. Well, what makes you say that? Because everyone thinks they're ready, but when it comes time, the exact same thing. So you basically want to treat the person as if it's a real life conversation and adjust it accordingly based on each prospect and based on their response. So yeah, that's the exact script that Alex Hormozi uses to generate $17 million each month. Hope you guys got value in this video. Peace.